Hey, it's Joe Anderson from Grand Rapids RV by Terrytown, standing in front of the Salem 27RKS. This is one of the #1 selling couple coaches on the market today, and it has been for a long time. This rear kitchen has power front jack, power awning with LED awning lights, and an outside kitchen. One of the biggest ads this year is the stabilizing jacks with JT strong arms. The JT strong arms really improve the stability of this coach when you're inside walking around. Of course, we have the solid steps. They're gonna walk up into the coach. These solid steps, everybody loves them. One of the best features out there on the market today. If you don't have them on your trailer, you should probably look into getting some. So the rear kitchen floor plan, again, one of the best selling couple coach floor plans on the market. This one especially with all the large windows, cross seating. This big picture window looking out to the campsite really sells this floor plan. This one has pushback theater seating, solid surface countertop with residential faucet, 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, and then the new Furrion appliances back here. Furrion fireplace. So with the Salems, they're giving you the best in class package, just a bunch of equipment that's included in this package. We get a special buy on these once a year, so we bring everything in with that. Tons of room walking through here. Have the stand-up shower. And then into the bedroom area here, we have a Denver mattress. You're not gonna have to swap that mattress out when you get this home, like most RVs. Tons of room to walk around the bed here. Storage on both sides of the bedroom. And then new this year is the wardrobe over here on this side at the front of the bed. Plenty of room for a large TV on the wall. Just a great couples coach floor plan. I think you guys are gonna really like this one. If you have any questions, you can call or text me anytime at 616-375-0938.